Yeah, I'll go ahead and post it because I'm tired. And I'll go ahead and post it on Saturday, okay? But this is Friday night, Friday evening, whatever. All right, I'll see you guys in the next upload video. I'm so crazy. Bye-bye. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys what I'm drinking on. And, of course, this is what I'm drinking on. All right. And if you guys want to see how we prepared our 4th of July meal, just and the fireworks, just keep watching this video. Bye-bye. Well, keep watching the video, okay? Y'all hear that? Listen. Oh, my God. This is going to go on all night long. Ugh. Okay, bye-bye. Happy 4th of July, you guys. Well, happy Friday and happy 4th of July 2025. This is for dessert. Cupcake. And this is some of the side dish that we have. No, that ain't marketing. My daughter brought that. So that ain't my potato salad. Also, because she's gonna put this on the grill. And this is really good, you guys. Really, really good. And my daughter Melissa brought that. It's really good. She's gonna put this. Yeah, we balling over here. She got 3 packets. And if you guys ever want to try this, it's a little expensive. Yeah. And this is, we just took this off the grill. Is this real? It must be beef without the bone.
Spare rib.
Spare rib. Yeah, that's spare rib. And there's some chicken quarter. And they got some more spare rib at the bottom. So I'm just showing you guys, what is that? Caramel. So I just want to show you guys a little sample. You know that what we're doing on the 4th of July. Bring it to me, Tanya. What we're doing on the 4th of July. And he got some hot dogs on the grill and hot links as well. You know? So guys, just go ahead and put it on the grill. Alright. Lord, look at my grandbaby. She loves her teddy bear. I don't see this one. Oh, little tiger. That tiger look real.
Look, ever since I seen that tiger look creepy.
Who this supposed to be? Scooby Doo.
Man, you don't recognize him? You can't recognize Scooby?
Scooby Doo, where are you?
Oh, Scooby's colors on backwards.
Scooby Doo, where are you? Alright, so you got this, the hot dog with them hot dogs are like hot ladies. So we got these steaks over here. I hope y'all can see that. So night. Beautiful day in Colorado. Y'all, it is so beautiful out here. Beautiful and hot.
You want a hot dog? You gonna take?
Well, just ain't you gonna bring that in the house?
Well, just take this to the house with
Yeah.
you.
Okay. Y'all, this right here is my breakfast. I'm gonna eat one of these for breakfast. Oh, well, as long as I eat something. Well, you guys, my daughter took her daughter got a little some little firecracker. But you know what, you guys, these firecrackers so expensive, you know.
50%
And
off.
so, but like my daughter said, it was 50% off, but still, yeah, they probably made enough.
Right.
And then I don't know what this is, Mad Dog. And check this out, you guys. Oh my God. What's that called? The shell. Now this is firework, guys. Okay, so don't get it twisted. Yeah, but yeah. That and look at this. Really? The crap is that? You know that little image? What's that say? But yeah, this is something that her mom brought her, you know. But I'm gonna tell you guys, they've been busting firecrackers 2 weeks. And last night it was so ridiculous. You know what I'm saying? They just like go crazy. You know? And then one of them looked like a bomb, go boom. Like now what did they gonna do tonight? They probably gonna go crazy. I just want to show you guys that, okay? Alrighty, you guys. Again, like I said, happy 4th of July. A happy Friday. Happy 4th of July. You guys be safe out there. Please, please be safe. Okay? You know, and watch your guard. You know, just be safe, man. You know, because I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna get crazy, especially tonight. Until then, okay, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye-bye. Happy Friday. 4th of July. 2025. All right, bye-bye.
That.
It's Caribbean Couscous. But instead of with tilapia, I'm doing it with chicken. And this is part of the food on 4th of July. And I'm gonna cut it thing. I'll take a picture. Okay. I already diced my onions and stuff. Let me see your onions. And she already sauteed her onions for the couscous. And also, you guys, this is the couscous, right? Mm-hmm. So that is, what's the main name?
Caribbean Couscous.
Caribbean Couscous. And she used to make this with fish, but what's the name of the fish?
Tilapia.
And it's very expensive. So she's just making this with the chickens. So I just want to come back, you guys, to show that's what she cooking for the 4th of July. So this is how it looked. My daughter Karen, yeah, y'all hear that? Now I'm in the kitchen. But anyway, this is the Caribbean, the chicken Caribbean that my oldest daughter Nikisha made. So I just want to show you guys that. Okay? Okay, you guys, so all our barbecue is ready. You see the chicken quarter. That's the lamb steak. Oh wow. Ain't that beautiful, you guys? This is hot wing, hot dog. Yes, yes, yes. We're gonna have a feast on the 4th of July. Have some more chicken quarter. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, so I just want to come back to show you guys everything is ready on this 4th of July 2025. Alright, until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Alright. Happy 4th of July. Okay, you guys, so I made my plate. So if you hear something like boom, they still popping, 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 popping. But anywho, this is my plate I made. And if you guys want to see all the fireworks of our showcase right in our neighborhood, we didn't have to go nowhere, I guarantee. Boy, they went crazy this year. Yes, indeed. So, anyway, that's my daughter. She made that. It's called chicken, Caribbean chicken couscous. Usually she'll make it with fish, but this time she made it with chicken. Okay. The next one is the potato salad. Okay, of course I didn't make it, but you know what I did? I added salt, black pepper, and paprika. Probably gonna taste better now. That's my daughter, my other daughter Melissa. She brought that. Also, this is what my husband grilled. He grilled the chicken quarter, but I didn't want the chicken. I just wanted the leg. And I ate a hot dog earlier, so this is a hot link. This right here is the rib. And also, this is what my daughter brought. Okay, so that's the lamb steak. Oh my God, don't that look good, you guys? Oh, I can't wait to get my teeth in that. Oh my goodness. Look at there. I guarantee. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I know you guys, here, you guys get that first bite. Oh, and it's rare season, I guarantee. So you guys, you know, if you like lamb steak, get the one, and I did show the package of it, you know, and stuff, but wow, so look at there, guys, my gosh, my goodness, also, oh, I did show you the, okay, yeah, I already showed you the couscous, yeah, and I just took half of that, and this right here is, you guys, this is the boneless rib, yeah, and I didn't want the big one, I just cut it in half, but this is my dinner, you guys, and you know what else, you guys, I just went ahead and got me my 4th of July cupcake. That's for dessert. Yes, indeed. Yes. My cupcake. Y'all hear? Y'all still hear that firework? Okay, so like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Share with your friends about to see the what I got cooking on my cooking channel. I can't speak now because I'm so hungry. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any questions. Thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And a happy 4th of July. Happy Friday, happy 4th of July 2025. God bless everyone, and please be safe out there, because this is a Friday night. And I don't know, I might post this on Saturday.